Cybershoes are the first and only shoes that let you control your favorite games in the virtual space. Run, walk, sneak, and jump with perfectly tracked movements for the most accurate active gameplay. Our first campaign was a huge success, and we were able to bring freedom of movement back to the players for their VR PC setups. The Oculus Quest and Quest 2 don't need a PC or bulky wires for a full VR experience, so we have released Cybershoes for Quest. Hook up the new receiver to your Quest headset, strap on your Cybershoes, and get moving. The seated position and better foot response cut out traditional motion sickness and lets gamers stay in the game longer. As your legs move you around, the chair is forgotten in no time. Walking in VR can be tricky if you aren't careful enough. Real space borders limit you from complete transition into the VR metaverse. Players are half in the game and half worried about bumping into something. Multiplayer is just an accident waiting to happen. For the first time, you can sit next to your friend in the real world and run side by side in epic adventures while staying deeply immersed in the action. Getting the system set up is easy with a quick plug-and-play installation, and the shoes are one size fits all. Use the bindings to securely strap your foot to the shoe sensor, plug the attachment into the headset, take a seat, and get ready to take your first steps in the virtual space. We are working with new developers to create more games and content that focus more on movement in the VR space. Cybershoes are lightweight and can travel easily with you, so you can stay immersed in your virtual world whenever and wherever you want.
The KatWalk Mini is not only smaller than its predecessors, it is a whole lot lighter, allowing it to fit in almost all spaces. Even at its small size, the KatWalk Mini allows you to perform a wide variety of actions safely and smoothly. The smart design is constantly reacting to every move you make, so that it will support and balance you when moving, and cleverly adapt to let you safely crouch or get down to pick items up. The mechanical structure is also optimized to provide the optimal rotational inertia, so that you can effortlessly turn around and easily stop when you want to. The KatWalk Mini is also extremely flexible. Its adaptive tension design accommodates a wide variety of different body types without the need to change any components. We designed the Mini to be an independent universal controller, making it compatible with all major VR headsets so that you can play all games with free locomotion support, including Steam VR, Oculus Home, Viveport, and PlayStation VR games, and the range of supported games is growing every day. We also increased the ease and freedom of use by implementing a new contactless sensor technology that's far more accurate and a lot faster. Our advanced motion mapping algorithm uses the input from the sensors in combination with HMD tracking data to determine the exact location and speed of each foot and enable decoupled head and body movement. This whole process takes less than 20 milliseconds to complete. Now the Mini's built-in sensors are powered directly by the machine. This, along with a new shock-absorbing base plate to protect your knees, and a retractable seat that our engineers are working on to use when driving or to take a break, allow for longer play sessions without the need to stop for recharging, and greatly reduce required maintenance. And because our SDK is publicly available, it allows for developers to integrate their games and VR applications in only a matter of hours, making the possibilities on the KatWalk Mini virtually endless. The KatWalk Mini will give you a more complete virtual experience, all in one system.